Most people fail because they think they need hours of motivation. They don't. They just need a better start. I have a challenge for you. Think of one thing you have been avoiding today. Is it studying, cleaning, exercising? Get that one thing in your mind right now, because I'm going to show you how Sam used 2 minutes to change his life. Let's look at the story. This is Sam. Sam has a dream. He wants to speak English fluently so he can get a better job. He bought the best books. He has the best apps. But today, Sam is failing. He looks at his textbook and thinks, it's 300 pages. It will take months to finish. I'm too tired. I'll start tomorrow. In Sam's mind, the task is a mountain, and Sam feels too small to climb it. So, he stays in the comfort trap. He scrolls on social media to forget the heavy feeling in his chest. Then, Sam remembers the rule. He tells himself, I don't have to study for 2 hours. I only have to do it for 2 minutes. He sets a timer. Just 2 minutes, he reads one sentence, then another. He picks up a pen and writes one word. Suddenly, the mountain doesn't look so big. Why? Because the hardest part of any task is not the work itself. The hardest part is starting. When Sam promised himself only 2 minutes, he gave his brain permission to start. The heavy feeling disappeared because the fear of a big task was gone. The timer stops, but Sam doesn't. He has momentum. He killed the laziness by making the start so small that it was impossible to say no. This is the 2-minute reset. If you are feeling lazy today, don't try to work for 3 hours. Just do 2 minutes. If you want to exercise, just put on your gym shoes. That's 2 minutes. If you want to write a book, just write one sentence. That's 2 minutes. Tell me in the comments. What is one thing you have been avoiding? And can you commit to doing just 2 minutes of it right now? Remember, every triumph starts with a single tiny step. I'll see you in the next tale.